Today I introduce my sisters to a dress. Round neck, puffy hands are crooked and the body of the dress will be cut below to get a spread. Then you can choose the style, the other tones, to make it fit for middle age. Well, this one here is being sewn out of foam. Then you can apply this pattern to fabric sewing. Lemon silk fabric, cloth is all. And to make this model, I need to prepare the measurements. Well, the measurements are here, ladies and gentlemen. Hey! The shoulder measurement, the neck measurement, the chest measurement, the waist length measurement, and hip length. So now we're going to go into the design part. Look at the pattern again. Your hands are puffy and you have a set. 2. Mentioned on the armpit part. I can't stand it in the middle. The dress will be cut off. Vertical and extension on the hybrid side. I'll take the length according to your preferences. This is the calf. Then we'll take the horizontal one. Shoulder is equal to shoulder divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Let's say that she divided 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Then you're going to take 6 and then 16. Then it's down to 4. Going down from here to here is 4. Lower your shoulders and I'll start connecting this. Then I'll lower my chest by 5. I added for 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 were equal to 18. We measure from above. So from top to bottom, that's 10, 80, 78 right here. And then we build a perpendicular line. Then I'll take out the chest and divide it by 4. I added for 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. One paragraph is 22. Then I'll take the lower chest. The lower chest here is equal to 35. Fold across. This part is lower waist ha sisters ha this part is lower waist. Then I'll be waist level. By waist divided by 4 plus by 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is 18. Taken over 18. Then I took the lower part of my ass. That's the number I'm going to measure on my body. Here I measure it as 18. From here to here is equal to 18. Then you will. Let's make a perpendicular line across. Then I'll have the same ass. Divide by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 2. 2 I took across a road. Then I connected the chest. Waist part, hip part. And you stop here at 4. And we're going to get the skirt part here. This dress here I'm painting is equal to 32. And then we're going to draw a straight line down. Back up to petrol. Then split it in half. Split in 2 again. Then I'll draw the ring. Here and then she's back into. Put your neck down for 8. Now I've built a square ruler in here. And you'll be able to draw the neck first. After I painted the neck, then come in here and give me 8 inches. I've built a perpendicular line down. And it's going to cut this line by 4. And then right here in the armpit. You'll draw the most beautiful line down here. You guys go straight down one street. And this way you will fall apart. Then start from your waist will expand. Give me one more way. The skirt under me will be wide. I will do it later. Experiment for you to see, the front and back. You will do the same. Then, I've done this body before. Now you do it. Continue for the shoulder. The shoulder girder is 2 inches, which is the red line for the back. Here, you're down 1 inch for the back of your chest. One piece for the back. And this neck is connected. Ba minor. Then we look again. Here's the Arabic pattern of the front and back. Now I'm going to start cutting Arabic. And here I recommend that there is no seam. You have to leave seams when cutting on the fabric. I cut the hybrid. After you cut the body, And now I'm starting. Change it, ladies, give me the waist. Then I put this part out. Waist level. Split in 2. Then you also draw yourself a straight line to do the voice side. Then body before body after body, we will disintegrate the same decor, change the same style. I also painted the decor here. And I'm going straight down the road. Then sisters, it's going to fall apart just like the previous body. And the part on my chest later. It'll be smaller than the body in front of a gas tank. So here I'm going to reduce one. I cut it off. This will be my back. Body later the sister multiplied for 2. This is not a double fabric. Then you'll check the zipper. If you want to check the zipper, you will reduce this way is 3 glasses. Ancient part. And the waist in 1 inch. Let it hold the back, that's beautiful. And then we'll get the zip line part. I can tattoo the back. Now we go to the body first. In the front, we'll cut along the blue line. Here. Cut this way. I cut it back. And the front hips will be smaller than the wheels after a gasoline. And then you're going to break this waistline. And disintegrate this decor raw. If you continue with this part of the waist, you can also cut it off. This part, you go straight down. And we're going straight down to the bottom right here. Right down here, ladies. I'll put another piece of paper. Come in here. Let me expand the skirt. Body before more. When you open up, you want to. This part is up. You can still add 20 cubic meters Let's of just gasoline. go this way. Close to the part at the hip. And this part you cut open. It's about 20 cubic meters of gasoline. When we are lucky, you will. This part of the waist is the same. This part you expand. Then of course we'll get a dress. It's beautiful down here. And up here, he'll hold it to the back. We'll do the same thing. I just modeled for a body first. Then, now I'm going to continue to draw for the hand. Oh, the sleeves. You will perform on a. I cut it in two, but I made it on paper. I open up to give it. You can see it easily. Take it down from up here. Give me a piece of the chest. Divide by 10 plus by 5. Boobs here herself 80. If I divide by 10 plus 5, I get 13. Then we'll measure from top to bottom 13. You build a perpendicular line. Before that, ladies, make the way. Measure the armpit from. You will leave yourself a paragraph out here. 5 years of gasoline. This distance we go. Then we'll calculate from this point. Let's draw this point for the sleeve. The sleeves you want to paint. Then we'll measure the armpit line on the body. I'll have to measure the back armpit line. Here I measured 22. The armpit line before I cut it and then cut it off. You will also measure. Here I measured 21. 2 ha. So now you're going to take this by 2. 2 plus 2 is 43 divided by 2. That's 2.5 dots. And then you put a 2.5 dot ruler on the top. Here's the last point. We'll get the diagonal. And you remember 2.5 dots here. I saw my hip right here, and then I split it in half. Then this goes up 2, this goes down 1, and this sleeve is going to be a room sleeve. Room above the room below. So I'm going to stretch my arm down. You're going to measure the length of the arm. This hand is equal to 55. You will subtract. Go back, give yourself 5 petrol, 7
Let
petrol.
me make a set.
Seven here. That's 7. Folding and the word. That's 7 from here. You pass through the door. Let's divide it by 2. I split the two of you in. If I want to hug, I lower down. You can hold it with your hands. Then the cufflink you're going to cut. Friend this paragraph. This is the cufflink. Then the sleeve we've got to cut. This part I will sort out. At the bottom, we draw the seed. And we'll put our hands in. We're going to get the sleeve part. Then you'll cut off the head. Then we'll have a pair of sleeves. And you're going to cut the seed. Here, retract it here, and draw it down. The upper hand. You may come in. Then we'll be drawn from the top of the hand. Hand room. I just finished sharing it with my sisters. Well, the way we do it is for dresses. This is the front body. There's a pleated open skirt and a back. I wish my sisters success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.